Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and copy a trader in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com, and this is going to open up this main page from where we can get started accessing this main button to join eToro to create an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally using the login button, and this is going to enable you to access it right here. So from here we can get started. So once you've logged in, at the left side of the screen you're going to find a menu with all the options that you can use for accessing your account settings and sections, and here we have an article on how to start copying a trader. So we can get started copying investor with a copy trader system. As you can see, we have the discover people tool. You can go ahead and access it using this link right here. This is an article you can go ahead and find on eToro Help Center, or you can access it directly from the website once you've logged in. And here you can go ahead and find people that you want to copy. As you can see here, we have the trending investors and the market outperformers and all the top people that are already being copied. So you can just go ahead and open up their profile. Once you've opened up their profile, it's going to show you what their returns are, what the percentage rates are, and so you can find all the information right here on their investments. And to start copying, then click the copy button. By clicking the copy button, this is going to enable you to start copying all their trades. You can enter in the amount that you wish to invest, you can set a stop loss, and so on. So just click copy, proceed with the steps, and this is going to enable you to successfully copy your trader. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.